Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if 2025 could be the year everything changes? In this video, I'm sharing 5 actionable steps to completely transform your financial future. It's simpler than you think, and it starts today. Stay with me, because step 3 might just blow your mind. Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into something life-changing: how to transform your financial future in 2025. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed about money, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're 20, 40, or 60, these 5 steps are for you. Grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to create lasting financial success. Let's get started. Step 1. Set crystal clear goals. Success starts with clarity. Ask yourself, where do I want to be financially in 1 year? 5 years? Write down specific goals like paying off $10,000 of debt, saving $5,000 for emergencies, or investing $200 monthly. Why? Studies show that writing down goals makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. Break your goals into smaller, achievable milestones to motivate yourself. Step 2. Track every dollar. You can't improve what you don't measure. Start tracking every dollar you spend. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Categorize your expenses: housing, food, subscriptions, and so on. When you see where your money is going, you'll uncover opportunities to save. Trust me, those $5 coffee runs add up. Quick challenge: track your spending for just 7 days. You'll be amazed at the patterns you uncover. Step 3. Build an emergency fund, the game changer. Life happens. Cars break down, medical bills pop up, and layoffs happen. That's why an emergency fund is crucial. Start small. Aim for $1,000 as your initial goal. Long term, work towards 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Automate your savings so a portion of your paycheck goes directly into a separate account. This removes the temptation to spend. Step 4. Crush debt. Strategically. Debt can feel like quicksand, but you can escape with a plan. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Or try the debt avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rate to save more money in the long run. Real life. Example. Let's say you have 3 debts: $500 credit card at 20% interest, $2,000 car loan at 10% interest, $10,000 student loan at 6% interest. With the snowball method, you'd tackle the $500 debt first. With the avalanche method, you'd focus on the credit card because of its high interest. Pick the strategy that works best for you. Step 5. Invest for the future. Once your emergency fund is set and your debt is under control, it's time to make your money work for you. Start with a 401k, if your employer offers one, especially if there's a match. It's free money. Open a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Consider index funds, which are low cost and historically reliable. Reminder: you don't need to be rich to invest. Thanks to compound interest, even $50 a month can grow significantly over time. Use online calculators to see how small investments today can grow into big returns tomorrow. And there you have it, the 5 steps to transforming your financial future in 2025. 1. Set clear goals. 2. Track every dollar. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Crush debt. 5. Invest wisely. Now, it's your turn. Which step are you starting with today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tips to grow your wealth. Remember, 2025 is your year. Let's make it the year you take control of your money and create the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.